Ninja Nerd fans, prepare to witness greatness.
What's up, Ninja Nerds? In this video today, we are going to be challenging Dr. Mike together.
Welcome to Challenge 1 of the Great Med Ed Challenge. Over 3 weeks, Dr. Mike from Dr. Matt and Dr. Mike's medical YouTube channel will face off with Professor Zach from Ninja Nerd. Testing both mental and physical strength, they will both raise money for charity and find out who takes home the Great Med Ed Challenge trophy. So for the first challenge, we must perform push-ups while reciting the steps of glycolysis. We get a point for every push-up we perform, and we get a point for every step of glycolysis that we recite. We can pause in the fully extended position, but we cannot break or collapse, otherwise we finish. Let the games begin.
I need your help. We're gonna do a push-up challenge while reciting glycolysis. Let's get it going here. All right, here we go. Whoo, lightweight, baby. All right, here we go. We're gonna start off with glucose goes to glucose 6-phosphate via hexokinase. Glucose 6-phosphate goes to fructose 6-phosphate via the phosphohexose isomerase. Fructose 6-phosphate goes to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate via the phosphofructokinase 1. This is already a lot. Here we go. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate gets converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and also dihydroxyacetone phosphate. But dihydroxyacetone phosphate needs to be converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. How does it do that? It does it via the triose phosphate isomerase. Whew. Ninja Nerds, we're in trouble. All right. Now, 2 of the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates get converted into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate gets converted into 3-phosphoglycerate. All right. 3-phosphoglycerate gets converted into 2-phosphoglycerate. 2-phosphoglycerate gets converted into phosphoenolpyruvate. Everything's shaking. Phosphoenolpyruvate gets converted into pyruvate. That's all I got, Dr. Mike. All right, well, Ninja Nerds, I think Dr. Mike probably won this one, but we give it the best we got. All right, that is reciting glycolysis while doing push-ups. Lord have mercy, I gotta get some water.
You ready? Time to do glycolysis while doing push-ups. Wish me luck. All right, let's go. Glucose turns into glucose 6-phosphate using the enzyme called hexokinase. Glucose 6-phosphate turns into fructose 6-phosphate using the enzyme called phosphohexose isomerase. Fructose 6-phosphate turns into fructose 1,6-bisphosphate using the enzyme called phosphofructose kinase. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate splits in half and turns into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate using the enzyme called aldolase. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate turns into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, 2 molecules. Okay. Ooh, okay. So, what am I up to? Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate turns into 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate using the enzyme called glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase turns into 3-phosphoglycerate. 3-phosphoglycerate turns into 2-phosphoglycerate using the enzyme called phosphoglycerate mutase. 2-phosphoglycerate turns into phosphoenolpyruvate. Phosphoenolpyruvate turns into pyruvate. Pyruvate turns into, no, that's it. I'm done. May have missed a few steps, but I think I got you, Zach.